Mastering English Conversations, the art of crafting a logical questionnaire. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting and practical topic in our conversational English series: organizing questions in a logical order. This is a crucial aspect of designing a questionnaire, and it can also help you enhance your conversation skills in English. Let's dive right in. The order of your questions can greatly affect how your respondents understand and answer your questionnaire. Proper ordering provides a smooth flow of thought and helps maintain your respondents' attention. Importantly, it can also help you in day-to-day English conversations, as it allows you to guide conversations in a meaningful and logical way. First, we need to understand the different types of questions we might use. 1. General questions. These questions aim to gather broad, non-specific information. 2. Specific questions. These questions aim to gather detailed, specific information. 3. Sensitive questions. These questions can be a bit tricky as they may involve personal or sensitive subjects. Knowing when and how to use these question types is key to developing a well-structured questionnaire and to asking meaningful questions in everyday English conversations. As a rule of thumb, start your questionnaire with easy and general questions. This will help your respondents ease into the questionnaire and feel more comfortable answering further questions. For example, instead of asking, "What is your opinion on climate change?" right off the bat, you might want to start with something simpler like, "Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?" After you've warmed up your respondents with general questions, it's time to delve into more specific questions. These should still be related to the topic introduced by your general questions. For instance, after the earlier question about spending time outdoors, you might ask, "Are you aware of any environmental issues affecting your favorite outdoor areas?" If your questionnaire involves sensitive questions, be sure to introduce them delicately, usually towards the end of your questionnaire. This gives the respondent time to build confidence and trust in the process. For example, after discussing environmental issues, a sensitive question could be, "Do you feel responsible for contributing to these environmental issues?" Crafting a logical order of questions is an essential skill, not just for designing effective questionnaires, but also for guiding meaningful conversations in English. Remember to start with the easy and general questions, build up to more specific ones, and carefully introduce any sensitive topics. I hope this video helps you enhance your conversational English skills and create great questionnaires. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.